I feel nauseous, believe me.
What's up everybody, welcome to another Hans recommended tech products. Today I have products from two different brands, two different products from QCY and four different products from Pitaka. Let's start from Pitaka. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Well, the first product I have here is MagEZ Slider from Pitaka. This is one of those products which actually is a part of my life. I use this product in my daily life. This one is a power bank and a wireless charging stand. Especially when it comes to Apple devices, I will always use Pitaka's accessories for my Apple devices. Inside the box, this one is actually the power bank or wireless power bank, MagSafe wireless power bank. And not only this, underneath the power bank, here comes the MagEZ Slider. What we have to do is to just slide in the power bank, and when we are in our home or office, we can just place the smartphone on top of this to recharge our smartphone, and while moving around or traveling, just take it out and snap it at the back of our smartphone. This one is a MagSafe compatible accessory, so we can carry this around with the smartphone. Like the Momax product that we just have unboxed, we can also recharge any earbuds which supports Qi wireless charging with this MagEZ Slider. And if we want to recharge our Apple Watch, then we can buy a small dongle and recharge that too. So it's a very compact product which actually brings a lot of convenience to life. Before I talk about the second product, let me show you that I actually have been using a Pitaka MagEZ Case 2 for my iPad Pro M1 for a long time, very long time. From the very first day I have been using this one, and look at this, nothing happened. This one feels like a new product. Well, now it's time to upgrade. That's why I have something new from Pitaka. This is Pitaka MagEZ Case for iPad Pro, and this one comes with PitaFlow. Yeah, this one actually supports wireless charging. We all know that none of the iPads actually supports wireless charging, but using this case will actually make your iPad become wireless charging compatible. Let's unbox MagEZ Case Pro for iPad Pro. As I am using a 11-inch iPad Pro, so I have bought the 11-inch edition. If you have the 12-inch edition, then you can go for 12-inch Pitaka MagEZ Case Pro. Wow, it's amazing. It really looks nice. Look at this. I'm actually using the same protective case for my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, so I'm gonna have the same design on all of my devices. Inside the box, there is a quick start guide along with a product catalog. So what other products are compatible with this set of products, everything is written clearly. There is a thank you card and a charging base to charge the iPad. So it's really very easy to use. Once your iPad is correctly placed inside this protective case, you can use the charging base. As it gets magnetically attached, it's very easy and adds convenience to life. Let me show you how to use this. Here comes my iPad Pro M1. It's very easy to put the iPad inside. Once you place your iPad inside, there is a USB-C port. Just connect it with your iPad Pro. Bang! You are all good to go. Now you have protection and wireless charging capability. I would say this one is wireless charging because you are not gonna require any extra cable. Look at this. How cool is this, isn't it? One more time. So if you're really looking for convenience, then you should go for this Pitaka MagEZ Case Pro, which comes with PitaFlow wireless charging. This one supports 20-watt charging speed. So yeah, you are actually not losing any charging speed. Definitely you can go up to 30 watt with iPad Pro, but 20 watt is also very good. I would say good enough for this type of convenience. Look at this. And you can actually use this either vertically or horizontally in any position. Actually, there is another product from Pitaka which offers much more convenience when you have this protective case on your iPad Pro. Here comes MagEZ Charging Stand for tablets. Yeah, this is one of the best products that Pitaka has invented. I must say this is an invention by Pitaka because I have never seen any other brands offering such a unique and nice product. Let's unwrap our MagEZ Charging Stand for tablets, which comes with PitaFlow for tablets. After opening the top lid, the first thing you will get is charging operation instruction. There are some illustrations and everything is written very clearly. Everything comes in different parts, so we have to install it. There goes the base. Here comes the stand, the base, and all the other necessary equipments are also provided inside the box. As usual, there is a product catalog and a thank you card included inside the box. More importantly, Pitaka has also provided a very good quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable inside the box. If you are worried how to install this, actually Pitaka has provided everything inside the box. Look at this, they have provided a magnetic screwdriver and the screws in place. So what you have to do is to unscrew the screws, put the stand into the base, put back the screws on top and tighten the screws. After you have installed everything, you can put back the screwdriver in its place and it will stay there because it will get magnetically attached on the place. As I have already shown the Pitaka MagEZ Case Pro with PitaFlow, if you have this protective case, it's very easy to recharge your iPad because this Pitaka MagEZ stand for tablets comes with very strong magnets on it and yeah, the iPad gets attached without any issue. Let me show you how strong is the magnetic connection. Wow, it's great. To get the power, what you have to do is to connect the provided USB-C cable, and Pitaka has actually made cable routing very easy. They have provided all the necessary cutouts. Let me show you one more time. Whoa, that really is convenience. There is another thing I must mention, that this one comes with a Qi wireless charging pad at the base. So if you want to recharge your iPhone and iPad at the same time, you can also do that. Let me show you. Not only iPhones, if you have Samsung Galaxy S series or any other device, any other gadget which is Qi wireless compatible, you can recharge that one on this charging pad. Now, there are a lot of people who have asked me what type of protective case do I use with my 12.9-inch iPad Pro M1. Here comes the protective case, Pitaka MagEZ Case 2 for iPad Pro. Let's quickly do the unboxing and let me show you what things comes inside the box. Inside the box, you will get your Pitaka MagEZ Case 2 for iPad Pro. Yeah, they have printed the the installation and removal guide inside the box. So there are a lot of illustrations and everything is written clearly. If you're still confused how to use this protective case, then there are some QR codes which you can scan to watch the video instruction. Inside the box, you will also get a thank you card. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this one if you're looking for something nice yet simple. This one not only offers protection, this one actually also offers convenience because this one comes with 3 pogo pins, so you are not losing any connectivity. Also, this one supports Pitaka's MagEZ connectivity. So if you want to put this one on Pitaka's MagEZ stand, you can do that without any issue. I really like Pitaka's simple packaging, and Pitaka always try to make their packaging environmental friendly. You can see inside the box they haven't provided any trash, nothing made with plastic. So yeah, kudos to Pitaka. I would give this Pitaka MagEZ Case 2 10 out of 10 because I've been using this Pitaka MagEZ Case 2 for almost a year and I haven't felt any issues. This one not only offers very good protection but also gives a premium outlook and appearance. Well, it's time to talk about the brand QCY. I've been using QCY Melobuds as my daily drive. QCY Melobuds earbuds, and I also love QCY Watch GTC because this is one of the cheapest smartwatches that I have ever used, yet offers a very good performance. So definitely QCY Watch GTC offers the best value for money. Let's unwrap this QCY True Wireless Earbuds Melobuds ANC. If you haven't watched the review video of this product, then I would recommend that go ahead watch the review video. I have already reviewed this product a few months ago. And I have given a very high rating to this QCY Melobuds in my review. Inside the box, you will get the earbuds, a charging case, and look at this. There is a hidden compartment at the back where QCY has provided user manual, a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and 2 extra sets of ear tips. Well, here comes the charging case and here comes the earbuds. Okay, let me quickly tell you 3 things about this QCY Melobuds ANC. Number 1, this one comes with 6 mics, 3 mics on each of the earbuds, and each of the earbud is equipped with a 10mm driver. This one not only offers a very good sound quality but also offers a very good noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation of QCY Melobuds is one of the best in its class. This one costs less than $50 and within this price segment it's very difficult to find a competitor. I should say a worthy competitor. There is another thing I like about this QCY Melobuds is these are very light and inside the ear groove. It doesn't give any irritation. I have never felt any fatigue. It gives me super comfortable, super comfy feelings. These earbuds offer 7.5 hours of battery life, and along with the charging case together, you will get up to 30 hours of battery life. Finally, there is another thing I must mention, 15 minutes of charging and you will get 3 hours of listening time. I would recommend this QCY Melobuds ANC because this one also comes with IPX5 rating, so this one is splash proof, but I wouldn't say you can go to swim with these set of earbuds. Here comes our QCY Watch GTC. This one costs less than $25 and comes with a lot of interesting features like 1.85-inch TFT display, 70 sport modes, IPX8 waterproof, portable magnetic charger, step counter, heart rate monitor, multiple watch faces, trendy and very light, and most importantly 15 days of standby time. Let's see what things we have got inside the box. Well, after opening the top lid, here comes our QCY Watch GTC. Underneath the smartwatch, you will also get a user manual or a quick start guide and a very good quality charging pack. This is a USB-A port based charging pack, so definitely you can use this one with any USB-A based chargers. Okay, I have used this QCY Watch GTC for almost a month as my daily drive and I have managed to squeeze up to 10 days of battery life, but in standby mode it will go beyond 15 days. There are 3 things I actually have loved about this device. The first thing is heart rate monitoring. I care about that and most of the cheap smartwatches wouldn't provide you this type of precise and accurate heart rate monitoring like QCY Watch GTC. The second thing is this one takes less than 1.5 hours to get fully charged. To be precise, this one takes around 75 to 78 minutes to get fully charged, which is very fast. For my needs, I always need fast charging speed, so I am super satisfied with that. And number 3, the display panel. The display panel of this QCY Watch GTC goes very bright under sunlight and it can go very dim in dark environments. So I don't feel irritated that it's not that visible under sunlight. It's super visible under bright sunlight and even under heavy studio lighting. So if you're looking for a budget smartwatch, I would definitely recommend QCY Watch GTC without any hesitation. And yeah, you know what? This one also can measure your blood pressure. Would you believe this? You have to try this smartwatch by yourself. So yeah, I'm not gonna hesitate to recommend this QCY Watch GTC to my subscribers and regular viewers because within this price segment, you're not gonna get anything better. Finally, here comes the bonus extra recommendation. This is one of my most favorite keyboard protective case for my 12.9-inch MacBook Pro. Yeah, if you're looking for a budget alternative of Apple's Magic Keyboard, then this is the best product that I can recommend because I've been using this one with my 12.9-inch iPad Pro M2 and I am super satisfied. Let us quickly do the unboxing and let's see what things we have got inside the box. This one is from the brand HOU, H-O-U, HOU Shoot to Fame MF-12 Keyboard Case. They have printed the specifications and the features at the back. Well, this one actually supports wireless connection through Bluetooth, and yeah, this one supports almost all the shortcut keys. So that's really a great thing. This one is built with PU leather, ABS and aluminium alloy. After opening the top lid, the first thing you will notice is this one comes with a very good user manual with a lot of illustrations and everything is written clearly. This one is a multilingual user manual, so almost all the languages are covered. I'm surprised to see that they have provided a very good wiping tool. So yeah, you don't have to look for any other place. If you wanna clean your iPad Pro's display panel, you can use this wiping cloth. Inside the box, you will also get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable to recharge the keyboard. Here is our keyboard protective case for MacBook Pro M2 12.9 inch. Yeah, definitely you can also use this one with your MacBook Pro M1. Interestingly, this one supports all the other protective cases and all the other devices which supports magnetic connection. This one comes with very strong magnets. So yeah, your iPad Pro is gonna sit inside this protective case without any issue. Now, here comes the thing that has made me love this product, the keys. This keys actually gets a very long, very big travel and provides a very nice haptic feedback. There is a very good clicky feelings and there is a very good distance between the keys. All the keys are covered, and as we can use the shortcut keys. So yeah, I'm definitely super satisfied with the keys. The second thing is this trackpad. I've never seen such a great trackpad from a third party. I mean, yeah, definitely Apple's Magic Keyboard comes with a very good trackpad, but among all the third-party keyboards and trackpads, this HOU MF-12 comes with the best trackpad. The trackpad area is actually increased by 130%, and the haptic feedback, the clicky feelings, wow, everything is premium. So yeah, as I trust this HOU MF-12 as my daily drive, I think it's easy for me to recommend this product to all of my viewers and subscribers. Well, that's all. Today we have unwrapped 7 different products, but if you wanna know which one is the most favorite among all these, then before I answer, can you guess? Here comes Pitaka's MagEZ Slider, and this one is actually the most favorite among all the products that I have recommended today. But actually I like all the 7 products equally. This one is a bit more special. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and if you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel, support honest content.